have just been to the caves and now we are leaving this anchorage. There's a lot of like tourist boats coming along and it's getting really wavy. I think it's time to go. And we're going a little bit further down. We're gonna stay there the week. But he's getting up the anchor as we speak. Okay. Yeah. And then we're off. Here we go.
Ja.
Moet die strakker. Oké, dat was het. Ja, toch? Milo's getting video bombed while she's sailing. We have a little bit of wind and that's why we rolled out the jib. We're still on the motor. It's doing a little bit. We're having lunch and T made me this awesome wrap. I just fell in love with wraps. They're so really nice and I just like them. Like we bake them in the pan, we have like soft cheese and stuff like that and a lot of vegetables and it's really filling. Can you see it jibing by itself? That was a wind change, and the jibe responded on the wind change. Sometimes when there is hardly any wind, this happens. Therefore, we needed to adjust the sail. So the wind picked up, but it's coming from the direction that we actually want to go. So which kind of sucks because it should have come from the side, but the island is just messing with it. So unfortunately we have like 20 knots. It's kind of a bummer because I really wanted to sail. We put out the gypsum a couple of times, but yeah. We were just sitting here relaxed and we only have like 2 nautical miles to go. And then we heard our motor like almost like it didn't have any diesel anymore, but the diesel tank is full. So that was kind of scary, but it still is working now, but we think the filters are clogged up and so we need to change them. And that's what we're going to do as soon as we are at anchor. I wanted to show you guys Turtle Island. Well, I think it's a turtle. You can see the head and then the shell.
The motor was clogged and kept having trouble giving us power. Therefore, we wanted to drop the hook in the best possible way and in the quickest way, because we were scared that if we took off the power of the motor, it would shut off, and we would be drifting close to shore, which is not good. Luckily, the bay where we wanted to anchor was quite big, and there was only one boat for anchor, so we had a lot of space.
That was pretty hectic. But we dropped the anchor and I think we're fine. The motor is still running, by the way. So we are at anchor safely. Yay! That was pretty... yeah, it's like a little bit of nerve-wracking. Does it stay on? Doesn't it stay on? But the motor stayed on. Even when you put it in neutral, it just stayed on. Actually, there was nothing to worry about, but it just felt very scary. We really wanted to drop the anchor actually right away, but we needed to find a good spot. There are like a lot of reefs and stones up here. We made it, and now we're going to change the filters and clean them up. So next time we won't have this problem anymore, which is good. And now it's time for beer.
If you like our show, please subscribe below.
Today we are going up to that island. It's called, it has the name Turtle Island, and apparently there's a lot of turtles over there, and I just love turtles. So we're going to have a look-see. He's already waiting for me to help in the dinghy.
Turtle Island. Turtle Island is a tiny, uninhabited and completely underdeveloped island. And it's best known as one of the last remaining breeding grounds for the endangered loggerhead turtles.
We made it! What do you think?
Beautiful, eh?
So, as you can see, we can't go any further because of the sea turtles. Alright.
What's that?
Well, I don't know, but I think it's a nest. Yeah, a nest for the sea turtles, and the wood protects it.
Nice.
Recognized by the government, they needed to protect these creatures. The Greek government formed the National Zakynthos Marine Park in 1999. Apart from being the home for many turtles, this island is also one of the main tourist attractions of Zakynthos, because the island also looks like a turtle.
What you doing?
Hurting my toe to a stone. What's next?
Let's get a drink.
It is very shallow up here. You can walk this whole bit. We left Turtle Island
because you could only walk around the beach, a little part of the beach, because it was all protected, which is good, definitely really good, so that the turtles can nest wherever they want and people don't walk all over them. So it's really awesome that they protected it, but so there was only a small piece of it where you can actually walk. So yeah, it was just up and down walk, and now we wanted to have a drink, and so we went to the shop, or well, Timo went to the shop because we only have one mouth mask left. So we need to share, but Anna's going to get some vegetables, but we left our dinghy over there, and it's really shallow water, as you can see. Like, people just can walk in there. We did that yesterday, which was nice. Hello, what you doing? You came outside just to greet us. Hi. What a cutie. Hello. Wat is dat? What's that, right? Oh, it's too exciting. We're going inside.
Come on, man.
Well, hello. Oh, that was so cute. She just came outside. I don't know, I think she heard us.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Are you hungry? Are you hungry, Bella?
Yeah, she's hungry. Look at the nice sunset. It's beautiful. Dee's getting off the boat.
Yep.
We are going for a little hike. Our work day is over, it's finally a weekend. And we're leaving tonight. But before, I need to get past these rocks. So yeah, we're leaving tonight around 3 or like 4 in the morning. So we're gonna throw out our trash and do a little walk to town, and then just to stretch our legs. Look what we found. It is huge. It's just sitting on the table. So we went for a little walk, ended up in that town over there. Well, town, sort of a couple of restaurants and a big supermarket. Well, for us it was a big supermarket. No, it was just a small, like, small supermarket, very tiny. Yeah, that was the most convenient store that we saw in this whole bay. So we bought some groceries, and now we're walking back. We had some dinner, some gyros dinner. Gyros is that?
Gyros.
Gyros.
Some gyros.
Some. So yeah, that was good. Now we're heading back to the boat with a full belly. And we're back at the dinghy. And we're back home. Yeah, I got it.